Take that $1,000 wagon out of your cart right now, because I just found this baby for an actual fraction of the cost. And yes, this one actually comes with everything. And surprisingly, my favorite feature is not what all the moms have been raving about. It was not the fact that you can actually push this one like a stroller, or it even comes with the wagon handle on the front of it. And no, it was not the full coverage adjustable canopy that they threw in, or the huge storage bag that fits everything that usually you would have to pay separately for. It was not the fact that the huge handle can be completely adjusted to your height by just pushing the buttons on the sides, and the fact that they gave us 2 built-in parent cup holders, or the fact that this thing actually fits 4 so comfortably. They have so much space in here, and they even gave us 5-point harnesses. It was definitely not the fact that the huge tray that holds the snacks, the toys, and has cup holders is completely removable, or the fact that you can pull the foot space up, lock it in place so it's compatible for nap time. And although this is the upgraded version, so they gave us
Yep, I'm definitely returning my new wagon, and the reason Yep, I'm definitely returning my new wagon, and the reason Yep, I'm definitely returning my new wagon, and the reason Yep, I'm definitely